This is the conditioning I'm talking about. So I can, once I access this, I've done this now. What I'm supposed to do now, immediately I do this. You get me? I can run this automation. Once I run the automation, I'll be able to get everything on my Google Sheet. It will give a result here. So what I will do is this, before I continue, let me know the automation so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, it's very important that before you run any automation, please ensure you click on your save icon. Because if you fail to click on your save icon and probably you have a bad network or the data refreshes, you might lose all your data or your work. So I'll click on save icon. Then I'll just run once. Coming, so I was changes first. So I created the router. So again, it gives everything to you. So for you to work with. So now that I've gotten the data, I can make use of it in all of that thing I'm doing. So as you proceed, you can actually make use of it and get it. So now I'm making use of this. I told you I have the status for each payment stuff. So I have like started status, I have progress 1 and progress 2. So for the started, I feel like when the row value started status. So when it started, you run this. Okay. So let me break that. So I have the started status. Excel sheet. These are the started status. That's what I said. Started status. So if I go back to make, this is make. So I set the started status to be like when this one is started. Though I had to type it because it's conditional. The reason I said it's conditional, if you have to look at this, I can switch this from equal to basic. We have those kind of terms when it comes to conditioning. We have exist, does not exist, when it's equal to, when it's not equal to. So we can make it as flexible as this. So I can decide to change the equal to contain. So I'm saying whenever this row in this data contains started, do something. If otherwise, if it contains progress 1, if I go back, let me discuss this and show you the progress 1. So if I come back here, if it's progress 1. Now, if you have to notice this module, I also added and you get me. At this and you're looking at here, I'm doing this and in order to target the dates of payment. Because the goal is to send email to everybody probably a week or probably a month before their payment due date after they've started. So you should notice that in the first conditioning I showed, I didn't add any hand because it just started. It just started payment. So once you change the status to started, make we know that okay, you change the status to started. So if you run the started one without any conditioning, anti-conditioning. For the second one, I added hand. So once it notices this hand, it will keep running. And once it notices this, okay, it's like a day or probably a week to the time of payment. The whole condition will be like send this email out. So after the whole route, we'll have to send, we'll have other probably the campaign or email automation platform I'm talking about. We'll have it in work. Now for it to properly send out the email. So that's about the router. So we have different type of router. I will now be using Brave. The email automation I talked about. Now remember what I said earlier on. Now for us to start anything, when we decide to have a module, it will request us to connect it, right? So if I said I'm adding a Brave module here, if I have connected that one, so it will request for me if I click on watch. I told you we have started anything to start. Now for us to update, we have to create something, right? So in order for us to tackle Google Sheets, we need to watch row or probably make changes. See whenever the changes is being done in Google Sheets. So for here, we can use watch contrast. It's great. Now, this is, okay, before we get to this, we need some other functionality. We need to create accounts. You get it? So in order for you to use Bravo, you need to have an account with them. Because with Rebel, you're not going to like you have to use API key. So without you having an account with Rebel, you won't have access to the API key. So talking of API key, I'm going to go to Rebel. Maybe I should try it. If you just go to Rebel without login, let me send also I show you how the interface is in case you want to start your login up. So this is it. Rebel. So if you are just landing on this page, this is what you'll be seeing. So here you have ability to sign up with your Google account as well. So for your what we call Google Chrome, you can click on this button and it signs you up automatically. So if otherwise is the case and you want to create an account yourself, you can click on the create account link below the sign up form. So if you click on create account, it will prompt you and route you to the screen where you can create your account. And we don't want to use Google. You can easily fill up this form. Signs us up. It just sign us up. Then we have our details there. And good thing for Google is that now you have access to saving your your account details on Google Chrome. So for you not to forget, so you can just sign up and save it. Then you can as well sign up with Apple. But for me, I've signed up already. I'm just showing you the process. So during the process of signing up, it might warrant you or probably request that you have an authorization done. What do I mean by authorization? A process where they send you probably a confirmation code. When you put in your number, in order for you to properly register and sign up with them. So I've done all those processes and I've landed in my own account. I have my own account now. API key. I'll show you I get my API key from Rebel. We have this of fields, right? So all these fields are gotten from what we call big. I created everything from big. And I have populated it. So in order for me to properly use it, I have to create it. So if you are just trying to send a mail without having the contract created me, or probably having a contract created there, you won't be able to send a mail. So it's very important. That's why it's contract by us. Then we have a landing page. You can build a landing page using Rebel. Probably you read the whole. Do you know what landing page is, everybody? So you create your email campaign, you title it, then within it you can create a list of people. So by the time you want to run it again, you see your campaign there, the email you send to those list of contacts. You'll be able to access the campaign easily and run it.